Welcome to Singapore Polytechnic, or SP as we are affectionately known. I'm Sowaiwa, the Principal and CEO of SP. If you are looking for an education that will shape you to be ready for life, ready for work, and ready for the world, look no further. At SP, we will help you to transform your thinking, acquire knowledge, and deepen skills to become the problem solvers and future talents of tomorrow. As the oldest polytechnic in Singapore, SP has an established reputation for producing generations upon generations of graduates who have helped build Singapore to be what it is today. We have graduated more than 200,000 alumni. Chances are, you will be able to find an SP alumnus amongst those you know. You may even be one yourself. SP has also built a solid reputation among the international fraternity. We are part of an international alliance of more than 150 institutes of higher learning, including universities from Canada to New Zealand, Japan to Chile. We are recognized for our high-quality, innovative curriculum across all our courses. In this digital age, we must look at learning as a lifelong pursuit, beyond just the time one spends in school. Therefore, at SP, we believe that learning how to learn is as important as picking up the skills for the first job. This will be an important skill to possess so that our students will be versatile enough to face the challenges of today and to ride the waves of transformation tomorrow. And even after they have graduated, adult learners can find help in SP to keep up with technological advancement as they pursue their lifelong learning journey. The strategic considerations for the future and the need to have the versatility to learn for life. These are the overarching considerations that guide our education model to prepare our students for such a future. Our education model is underpinned by a passionate faculty that continually improves on our teaching pedagogy and curriculum and keep them robust and relevant for the changing times. We constantly engage industry leaders to understand the evolving business landscape, manpower needs, and update ourselves all the time. We also invest in our campus experience for our students. Our large campus presents us with the space to curate a vibrant student life experience. These are abundant opportunities for our students to discover who they are, their strengths and weaknesses, and their interests. We take co-curricular activities seriously because they help to nurture leadership, entrepreneurial vigor, and community responsibility. So, should you enroll in SP? Well, if you have identified an area of interest or passion, then I want to invite you to explore the options in SP. You can find out more at SP first ever virtual open house. It is an exciting, fun-filled 3 days of online events leading up to our Parents Forum on 9th January. Come join us, take a tour of our campus, explore the student life, and discover why SP is the Polytechnic for you.